In this video, I'm going to show you how to fork a project in Emergent AI. If you want to check out Emergent AI for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it out from there. So here inside Emergent AI, you want to go to your project. I'm going to click on this one, for example. There's some errors, but just don't mind these. And then you want to go to the bottom and you want to wake up your agent, okay? So usually when you open up your project, there's going to be an agent over here. It's going to say wake up agent. And when you do that, you have to wait for a few seconds, and when it wakes up, you'll be able to see this fork button down here. So you want to click on fork conversation, and it's going to say your chat will be compacted into a summary, and then it says the summary keeps all important context, your goals, decisions, and current code. And then from here, you simply want to click on take summary to new chat, start fresh with your progress intact. So just click on that. It's going to start generating your summary. After a few seconds, this is what's going to happen over here, and you can of course edit your chat summary if you want to. You can read it over here, click on edit and edit it, and then save changes whenever you're done. And then you can just select your model, whichever one you're usually using, and just click on start forking over here, and this is going to start forking. And yet again, it's going to take a few seconds, and as you can see here, there we go, it says forking is in progress. There we go. Then when it's done, it's going to say session forked successfully, and it should automatically open up a separate session over here. And as you can see, your agent is now waiting and you are good to go. It says it's been forked from your previous project. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.